Welcome back, guys. CryptoFollow channel. Today, I would like to show you just local updates for PENGU USDT trading pair with my customer said. What's going on now? Let's dive in. All right, guys. I hope you watched all my previous videos because I use the simple model. You don't need to build a so complicated model strategies. No one model in the world will give you the 100% win rate, but you can watch just one single simple tutorial, initiation accumulation pump model, and work with that model for each token and use it just after one single daily candle close on the daily one. You can build the levels, the zone of interest, and you will know the future, where the token will stop, where we get a reaction. If we not get a reaction to the first level, it means the token most likely will drop to another one. And after that, we'll see the reaction. That's why, guys, some tokens will drop and hold the line more accurate, some not, and we get invalidation. That's why I remind you again, no one strategy, no one model in the world work 100% all the time. It's just impossible, because if someone find it, he couldn't find, but just in theory, if he could find some model which work 100%, it means he can make infinity money, like billionaire just in 1 week, or one year, because he could use the 100x leverage, open the positions with a 10K, 100K and generate the just insane money, That's why, guys, we work with the possibilities, but initiation accumulation pump model give you the really high win rate. First of all, you save a lot of money, you save a lot of time, because after listing, you're not trapped in the token, and all zones, you knew it before. So it's not after the fact. For all of these tokens, I showed you the video after listing. One day, daily candle close, and the next day, it's a video with all zone of interest, And I use the BitGet, also with my customer set, like point where we get the lowest listing price. All right, take a look how and why it's happening, because market makers use the bots, the soft, to deliver the price in the right moment and right time. And our main goal is find the steps, what they're trying to hide of us. Take a look. This is listing. This is a zone where we need to fix a profit. Got it. You remember these videos, I hope you watch it. So here, rejecting it at 0.61, hold the line at 23, bounce. This was the first zone of interest and still relevant. Take a look. We get reaction, tiny reaction. It means no, we're gonna drop lower, and we landed. We landed and hold the line exactly at the best zone to buy. Invalidation was its least drop on the listing price on a BitGet, but we hold the line. So take a look. Now we pump it, and here. Congrats if you watch it on my videos. Took a risk. Now you're in the profit like 400% on the spot. Guys, take a look also how the price respect the level on 0.5 and on the weekly. Till penny, guys. Till penny. Sometimes it's more accurate, sometimes it's not. Everything depends on the market maker, who stay behind of this soft, who stay behind of the who the market maker of some specific token. We can't know. It's impossible to know, right? We can't know what the soft that centralized exchanges use. And trust me, they use the soft. You not trade against the bots. Next step, guys, take a look, will be the full fill of weekly gap exactly at 0.23 LBP, 2 cents, 18. So that's a point. Here, most likely we'll see the reaction. If not, and we skyrocket higher because BTC dominance drop lower, 27 block. 27 block, it's a zone of fixation swing trades. You knew it, everything before. So that's a point, guys. If the token invalidate the idea, you know what to do. You use the same zones, of interest, but like a fixation profit zones. Also pretty simple. Also, I recommend you guys use my customer set, because I showed you all things before, after listing here. This was a drop on a weekly time frame, and here was a main accumulation. So after the drop, bounce, correction, accumulation by whales. What I don't like on a PENGU, we are still in like A3 zone. We over on a direction, we over the middle line. So guys, technically now it's not okay zone to buy. it's not okay zone to buy. So just in case, on this channel, we talk not only about where to buy, we talk about where to not buy and where to fix the profit. So here, all this period, the whales accumulated was so obvious. So they accumulate step by step because they know where the algorithm will stop the price. So that's the point. You can believe it or not. It's only up to you, but it works like a clock. And now we formed the words on daily. So here, the top was in April. Here, 0.1 cent 33. Now we formed the lowest on ADZ, but higher on the price. That's why the 2 cents 18.93 it can be like a logical top with the warranty. After that, yes, we can see some pullback down. And anyway, believe it or not, but we're gonna test the 27 block 3 cent 38. When? Nobody knows. Here was a time for accumulation, and I hope you watched all my previous main video about PENGU and updates about PENGU. Here's a time to out. Step by step, you have to be ready. Fix some profit. 400% we're already pumped it, guys. It can be the best zone to buy. Now, if you want to trade, of course, you can trade, but with the stop losses on the futures on the spot, because now it's a bigger risk to get a stop loss, than it was here. So that's the point. Guys, everything should be in time. You can't just randomly open at any moment just because you want. Open any token and press buy. You can, of course, but it don't make sense. Buy and wait some crazy gains because you want to see the token from your entry should pump. No, it doesn't work like this one because we get a zones, we get a levels of interest of market makers on the funds of the centralized exchanges, right? More or less. Here was a capitulation on market moon indicator. So now, I repeat again, now personally, by my personal opinion, it's not a time to in. Can we pump higher? Yes, of course, but it's risky. 88% potential pump, but we can stock, for example, in this zone, like 25% down more. Logical entry was here and in this block. Now, it's not a logical entry. Just in case, guys. Money power. Take a look. Here was a money inflow, all this in period. You could track the money inflow on a daily. Money outflow, money outflow, money inflow again, pump, money outflow. Step by step, the whales fix a profit, guys. And here's a fixation of the profit after 400%, guys, on weekly time frame. So just in case, don't be trapped now with the hype just because of PENGU now in the top gainers. So be real. Here was a buy. Last time to buy, take profit, sell, buy back, sell. Now no new signal to buy, guys. Everything logical one. So nothing to hide. And last indicator, guys, is say take profit. Come on, this one. We traded way over exit line. Not a way over exit line, but exit line on the daily was like 1 cent 69. Now it's 1 cent 91. Buy line for the PENGU, I don't think so. We're gonna drop to the buy line, but it's possible. 0.2074. Weekly time frame, no data because just a fresh new token. Here also was the good zone and logical entry. Why? Here, why it was the good zone to buy here back because we got a buyback signal. We trade on the okay zone to buy. We get a test of the buy line on 12 time frame. Pretty simple. That's why, guys, like conclusion again, I don't believe we're gonna drop to the buy line again under 1 cent, but it's possible. And bullish targets still the same. So it's 27 block, 3 cent 38, 3 cent 63, and potential all-time high. Nothing changed, guys. Until we trade in this range, this model is relevant. We need to break the new all-time high, and even after that, you can use this model because after maybe the new all-time high and after the years, we can come back and land to these zones, for example, in the next bear market. So you can track it. You'll be surprised how it works. So guys, I hope you like this video. Write us in a comment what you think about PENGU now. If you like to trade with my customer set, which give you a lot of data, additional data for your analysis, just write me DM. Don't forget to join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.